Large organizations have an intranet. On it are documents, including HR policies and health and safety information that employees require access to, legally. Many employees will access it simply from their workstation within the corporate network. No problem. Some employees, however, frontline operatives in transport, cleaning or catering, for example, will not use a corporate email address, but they still need access, right? Jadu Gateway is the solution for large organizations that want to provide their teams and employees with secure access to important information and forms wherever they are, even if they don't have a corporate email address, removing the frustration and legal issues many organizations may face. A quick gateway overview looks like this. Intranet pages are exposed to the web, but content requires a login, plus two-factor authentication. Manage IP address ranges to access the intranet without the need for logging in. Invitations to access the intranet are managed in the control center. If not actioned within a reasonable time period, invitations expire. Users can also be temporarily disabled to prevent access. All this is very easy to manage and maintain with Jadu Gateway. So let's take a quick look at just how easy. Intranet pages exposed to the web, like this one, require login. So let me do just that. And as we're using two-factor authentication, I'll jump to my email and retrieve the required code just sent to me. As I'm using a trusted device at the office, I'll check here so I don't have to do this again, and hit submit. Now I'm authenticated, I'm returned to the page of important information I needed. Super. I now have full access to the intranet's documentation and forms as I've passed through the firewall. So with that, let's jump into the Jadu Control Center to look at intranet access and how we manage user invites. We'll see a list of all the previous invites sent and their accepted or expired status. Let's create a new invite. We're presented with a simple form to complete to add our new user, and we can see our new invite and their pending status. Looking again at this invite, we see the basic data, including when the invite expires, and through the Actions menu, we can disable any user because they're on sabbatical, for example, or delete them because, well, we can also resend the invite should it expire, meaning the user will receive a new invite email, asking them to complete their registration. Simply asking them to create their new password, which in turn logs them in straight away. Easy. With individual user invites demonstrated, let's look at the bulk upload option. Put simply, we can upload an already completed CSV file. In the Actions menu, we can download an example to help get us started with that, which matches your chosen preferences. Let's choose the file, add a notification email. I'll use mine, so if the import does fail, I'll get an email highlighting any validation issues, for example. And with the Previous Imports tab, we have an upload history for the administrator, should they need it. So with invites to users without a corporate email address completed, let's turn our attention to IP range access. So here we have the ability to define or set up our IP ranges, so users instantly bypass any authentication, in effect creating a whitelist, of which we can have as many as necessary. It's that straightforward. With single user flow and IP restriction flow covered, here ends our quick demonstration. Unlock the power of secure intranet access with Jadu Gateway.